What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning back in the channel. I know I got a lot of explaining to do, but today we're just gonna hit up this meet and we'll talk about what's going on with the car afterwards.
GS posted up. Got an IS300. Pretty much import heaven up in here. Well, it's 2JRB, whatever, you name it, it's out here. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is up in there. That's crazy. With the twin turbo setup, that shit's clean. Got SC300. Another R34. The pie cuts posted up. Damn, bro, that color on the back was beautiful. Very, very nice. Got another Supra. Color in the Supra is absolutely insane. We got a couple more other projects like we have an S15, getting a 2J treatment. MK3 Supra, MK4 Supra, MK4 Supra, MK4 Supra, MK4 Supra. So pretty much they do a lot of Supras. Primarily looking like inline sixes, whether it's a 2J or an RB. But let me tell you, bro, these cars are mad. These cars are mad.
One more. Yes, sir. What's up, dog?
Lay the pipe, Patrick.
Huh?
Let me hear it. I want to hear it.
Hit it one more time.